Hello everyone, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY, and I wanted to come on first of all because we have surpassed 100 subscribers today. I'm so excited. I promised you that I would be doing a giveaway as soon as we hit 100 subscribers. So that is the first order of business on this video, is to give you a little sneak peek. It's nothing huge, but it is a fun little prize that one of you will get in the mail. So in order to enter the giveaway, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to be subscribed to this channel. You need to like this video. That means give it a thumbs up. And I want you to comment something. Let's see. What would be a good comment? Let's do, if you could go anywhere with anyone to celebrate Valentine's Day, who would it be and where would you go? Or what would you do? Something kind of fun for Valentine's Day. I also wanted to, on this video, give you just a quick, simple little idea. Maybe some of you have young kids that are still in school and are doing a Valentine's Day party. So I wanted to give you a quick, easy idea for something you could make with your kids. Doesn't cost a lot of money, and it's something a little bit more than just signing their name on a little card, which is fine if that's what your school does. But I like to do a little something creative with my kids. So we will move on to that in just a moment. But all the details for the giveaway will be in the description box. I am keeping the giveaway open until Saturday, which is February 9th. Yes, February 9th, I will be doing the drawing, let's say 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is my time zone. I'm in Michigan. So Saturday, February 9th at 8 p.m., I will be drawing a name of all the people who have liked and commented on this video and are subscribed to my channel. So best of luck. I will do another video. Actually, maybe I'll do a live at that time to draw the winner. So best of luck to everyone. Make sure you like this video and comment if you could celebrate Valentine's Day with anyone, anywhere, who would it be and where? Doesn't have to be a romantic thing, just something fun who you'd like to celebrate with. Okay. So that's for the giveaway. Thank you so much for helping me hit 100 subscribers in 1 week. I'm very excited. So this is the little favor, or an example of a little favor that you could have your kids make for their classmates. Or maybe you want to do a little something for your coworkers. I was very excited to find these cute stickers at Walmart. These are not Dollar Tree. These are Walmart, but look at 98 cents. So you save 2 cents. And they're very cute. They're foil stickers. These obviously are owls and hearts. I thought these were adorable. These have cupcakes, little narwhals, like a little coffee cup, some whales. Those were cute. And I love monkeys. Okay. These were so cute too. So I got a few examples. I have in my stash some Valentine paper or different papers that have hearts or are Valentine colors. But you know what? If you use construction paper, that's totally fine. Use what you have on hand, okay? And it doesn't matter if it's double-sided or if it's white on the back, and I'll show you why. So let's make one with just some plain pink, okay, pink cardstock, and I'll show you. This, I'm cutting my paper to 6 inches by 6 inches. All right, you can use fancy tools if you want, but I'm just going to eyeball this, and you are going to fold it in half like this, okay, to the top, triangle. I'm trying to show you this as best as I can. All right, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take, I'm right-handed, so I did the right-handed one first, this bottom triangle, and you're going to fold it over to the other side. This is hard to see with plain paper, but you want this to be straight across. Okay, this will not be right under the point. It will be flat on the bottom. So fold that over. If you want to use a bone folder, but the creases are not super important with this project. Then you're going to fold the other one over the same way so they're lined up here. I will say that thinner scrapbook paper is probably easier than thicker cardstock at this point. Okay, so this is kind of what you have. It's called a diaper fold. Now, the last thing we're going to do is the front of the top. We're going to fold it over like this. Okay, and then when you open it, you've got this little pouch inside. And see, mine didn't even line up perfectly right there, but it's okay. Some ideas of what you could put inside. This is a perfect size for these little fun size. I actually just got a package of 6 little fun size M&Ms at the Dollar Tree. I do know that Walmart has Valentine packs like this that have like 28, like for a class. Okay, so you're going to stick that inside. Now, what I did for my owl one is I have a scallop punch from Fiskars. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. And it just makes this little scallop circle. So that's what I did. Again, just use whatever paper you have. If you don't have a punch, you could do a circle punch. You could cut a heart out of construction paper, fold it in half, cut the heart shape, open it up, and you've got a little heart. I adhered this to the front and then stuck my sticker on top. Simple as that. You could even, if all you had was white copy paper for your printer, you could fold these with white paper, let your kids color them. Or, again, put the stickers. Let's see, I think I'm going to do, let's see, I did red. I really like this dolphin that says "Be Mine." How cute is that? Okay, so you could do fun size candies. With this one, I got this also at Dollar Tree. It's a package of 22 of these swirled heart lollipops. These are strawberry and cream flavor. I know they had cherry flavored ones, and I can just stick 2 of those in there like that. Okay, so just really cute, simple idea. I will try to link in the description box the tutorial, but hopefully that was simple enough. Just a few folds of a 12 by 12 paper. So thanks everybody for watching. Again, make sure in order to enter the drawing for my hitting 100 subscribers that you like this video and that you're subscribed and that you comment who you want to celebrate Valentine's Day with and where, what you would do. All right, everyone. Again, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. Have a great day. Bye-bye.